In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. If you're planning a trip, mapping errands, or collecting your favorite spots, this method keeps everything in one easy list you can open on your phone or computer. Start by opening Google Maps. You can use the website in a browser or the mobile app. I recommend that you're signed into your Google account so your saved places sync across devices automatically. Next, search for your first location and select it. Type the name or address into the search bar, then click the place result so its info card opens. This ensures you're pinning the exact spot you want with the correct address and category. If you see several similar results, zoom in the map or double check the street address to be sure you've got the right one. On the place card, click Save. You'll see several list options like Favorites, Want to Go, or Starred Places. You can choose any existing list or create a new one dedicated to this project, and give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. If you see a notes field, consider adding a short detail such as a meeting time, who you're meeting, or why this stop matters. Notes can save you from confusion later. On mobile, Save may appear as a bookmark icon beneath the place name. Tap it and select the same list. Repeat that process for every location you want to pin. Search, open the place card, tap or click Save, and select the very same list each time. Consistency is key here because using one list is what lets you view all the pins together on a map. If you're working with many stops, moving through them in a logical order, like north to south, can make reviewing the map easier later. When you've added all your places, open your saved items. On the web, look to the left toolbar and click Saved. In the mobile app, tap the Save tab at the bottom of the screen. Finally, select the list you used. You'll see every pinned location grouped together, and you can switch to the map view to see them plotted visually. Click or tap any item to open directions, check hours, or read details you stored in the notes. From here, it's easy to plan routes between your pins and see everything at a glance. That's it. Your multiple locations are neatly pinned and ready whenever you need them.